Okay, so good day. So today we will discuss about application of factoring polynomial. Example number 1. A rectangular garden in a backyard has an area of 3x squared minus 10x plus 3 square meters. Its width is x minus 3 meters. Find the length of the garden. Solution. So, since ang area natin ay 3x squared minus 10x plus 3 and ang width natin ay x minus 3, so we are looking for the length. So, length is equals to area divided by width. Since area is equals to length times width. So, to find the length, kailangan yung area, i-divide naman natin sa width. Which is, para ma-divide yung area dun sa width, so, gagamitan natin ng synthetic division. So, 3, bring down 3, and then 3 times 3 is 9, negative 10 plus 9 is negative 1, negative 1 times 3 is negative 3, 3 plus negative 3 is 0. So, therefore, ang remainder natin ay 0, and then yung magiging sagot natin after ma-divide natin yung 3x squared minus 10x plus 3 sa x minus 3 is 3x minus 1. So, therefore, the length of the garden is 3x minus 1. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Next, example number 2. If one box of a face mask costs 2x minus 3 pesos, how many boxes of face mask can you buy for 4x raised to 4 plus 14x cubed plus 2x squared minus 32x minus 24 pesos? So, write first the given. Cost of 1 box of face mask is equals to 2x minus 3. Ang total cost of face mask ay 4x raised to 4 plus 14x cubed plus 2x squared minus 32x minus 24. And we are looking for the number of box of face mask. So, since ang cost ng isang box ng face mask ay 2x minus 3, ilang box daw ng face mask ang mabibili natin kung ang pera natin ay 4x raised to 4 plus 14x cubed plus 2x squared minus 32x minus 24. So, para mahanap natin is we are going to divide this total cost of face mask dun sa cost of 1 box of face mask. So, ito yun. Number of box of face mask is equals to total cost of face mask divided by cost of 1 box of face mask. And then, solution. Ito, yung 4x squared plus 14x cubed plus 2x squared minus 32x minus 24, i-divide lang natin sa 2x minus 3. So, 2x minus 3, yan. Gamitin natin ng long division. So, una natin i-divide ay yung 4x raised to 4 sa 2x. So, 4x raised to 4 divided by 2x is, yung 4 divided by 2 ay magiging 2 na lang, and then yung variable natin, yung exponent lang ay pagbabawasin. 4 minus 1 is 3, kaya 2x cubed. And then, next step, i-multiply natin itong 2x cubed dito sa divisor natin, which is 2x cubed times 2x, and then 2x cubed times negative 3. So, magiging siyang 4x raised to 4 minus 6x cubed. Paano siya na-multiply? So, ito lang, pag minultiply natin, syempre, ito din yung lalabas. And then, yung 2x cubed times negative 3 is, 2 times 3 is 6, and then, kukopyahin lang natin yung variable, which is x cubed. And then, subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend, and then proceed to addition. So, yung 4x raised to 4 plus negative 4x raised to 4, pag nag-plus tayo ng magkaibang sign at parehas naman yung term, makakancel lang siya. And then, 14 plus 6 ay 20, and then copy lang yung x cubed, and then bring down yung 2x squared. And then, 20x cubed divided by 2x ay magiging siyang 10, kasi 20 divided by 2 ay 10, and then, yung 3, tsaka itong 1, so, pagbabawasin lang natin, 3 minus 1 is 2, kaya siya ay magiging 10x squared. And then, subtract, yung 10 times 3 muna, ay magiging 30. Then, copy yung x squared, and then minus, kasi minus 2. And then, subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend, proceed to addition. And then, ito, 20 plus negative 20x cubed ay, 20x cubed plus negative 20x cubed ay mawawala na, 0 na siya. And then, 2 plus 30 ay 32x squared lang. And then, bring down yung minus 32x. And then, 32x squared divided by 2x ay 16x. Again, yung 32 din divide lang sa 2, which is naging 16. And then, yung exponent pinag-minus lang. 2 minus 1 ay 1. So, no need to write 1 here. X na lang siya. And then, 16 times 2x ay, 16x times 2x is 32x squared. And then, 16x times 3 is 48 kasi minus din ito. And then, subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend, proceed to addition. Ito, makakancel na. And then, negative 32 plus 48, kapag magkaiba ng sign at nagpa-plus tayo, pagmaminusin lang natin. 48 minus 32 is 16. And then copy yung sign noong mas malaking number which is positive. Kaya siya ay 16x. And then bring down minus 24. And then 16 divided by 2 ay 8. And then since pares na naman silang x, so makakancel na. Kaya 8 na lang siya. Magiging constant na lang. And then 8 times 2x is 16x. And 8 times negative o minus 3 is negative 24. So change the sign to subtrahend. Proceed to addition. So mawawala na siya. Ang remainder natin ay 0. So, yung quotient ang kukunin natin na magiging sagot. Yan. Therefore, I can buy 2x cubed plus 10x squared plus 16x plus 8 bags of face mask from 4x raised to 4 plus 14x cubed plus 2x squared minus 32x minus 24 pesos. Saan galing yung 2x cubed? Ito yung quotient natin after ma-divide natin ito dun sa divisor natin. Another example. Example number 3. If the remainder of the x cubed plus kx squared minus 2x plus 3 when divided by x minus 2 is 3, find the value of k. So, medyo complicated ito kasi kailangan hanapin natin yung k na kung saan ang remainder niya ay magiging 3 kapag dinivide natin itong polynomial na to dito sa x minus 2. Solution. Since 3 is the remainder when x cubed plus kx squared minus 2x plus 3 is divided by x minus 2, therefore, when we substitute 2 in x, the answer must be 3. Ito daw. Bakit 2? Kasi kapag ito ay inequal natin sa 0, ang lalabas na value ng x ay 2. So, ang gagawin lang natin ay isa-substitute natin yung 2 dun sa x dito sa given na polynomial. So, x cubed plus kx squared minus 2x plus 3 is equals to 3. So, papalitan daw. Kailangan maging equal sa 3. Papalitan natin yung x ng 2, which is 2 cubed plus k, and then 2 squared. Pinalitan natin yung x ng 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus 3 is equals to 3. And then, 2 cube ay 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and then magiging siyang 4, and then 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 is equals to 3. So lahat ng ayan, walang kasamang variable, ilagay natin dun sa right side ng equal sign. So kapag nilipat natin yung 8, magiging minus 8. Kapag nilipat natin yung negative 4 o minus 4, magiging plus 4, at yung 3, kung nilipat natin ay magiging minus 3. So ang ginawa ko dyan ay sama-sama ko muna lahat ng positive at lahat ng minus. So, 3 plus 4 is 7. Negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11 or minus 11. And then, 7 minus 11 is negative 4. And then, 4k is equals to negative 4. So, didivide natin siya sa 4 para k lang ang matira. After natin ma-divide sa 4, magiging k is equals to negative 1 na lang. So, therefore, the value of k is negative 1. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching.